Morning.
Mind your step.
Welcome on board. Good morning. Welcome on board. Good morning.
Right, it's a non-smoking vessel that includes vape. Thought to be extinct in New Zealand. It's a flightless parrot. All the other trees intertwine themselves in between each other, and after a heavy rain, one of these top trees dislodges, it kills all the other trees out below it. Which creates these big avalanche scars you see on the side. Now, scratch marks and everything, that's all the ice and rock as it was getting scraped out over the last 2 million years. That's the closest I can sort of see it anywhere in Milford Sound. So I've just spotted a seal in the water just up here, guys. Slightly up to the left in front. But back in the early 1900s, oh hold on, I'll look. So in the early 1900s, or 1800s I should say, sorry, some gold mines come through here hoping to find their fortune in gold. And they traipsed all the way over the top, back before the Homer Tunnel was built, of course. Got all the way over here and found that this place was made of granite. That seal's playing around off the left-hand side down there too, guys. So found this place is all made of granite. Now, for anyone that come through the Homer Tunnel this morning, for every metre they come through, they had to use a ton of dynamite. How hard this rock is. If a diamond is a 10, granite is a 7. So these guys come all the way over, there were 200 of them, come over here only to find these sheer rock faces. And the type of rock it was, decided it was too hard, went back to Century Cargo where they could extract gold out of the ground a lot easier. Good for this place because it now has World Heritage status. It means none of them mining companies can come in here and destroy it. But the great thing about these two waterfalls in front of us, they are called Pixie and Fairy Falls. Now, I don't know if you guys will believe me or not, but guess what? Fairy Falls is actually named after the Australian rugby team. Seriously, some early sailors that were in here in the 1800s, they actually named them Pixie and Fairy because they thought they could see pixies and fairies in them. You definitely get to see the rainbows. I've not seen any pixies or fairies, but the closer we get, the more rainbows will be get to see.
Wow. It's a rainbow. Nice. Wow.
All I can honestly say, my friend, is shot throw. Well done.
刚才是在讲话吗？
是。
Yeah, I told them, 3 of them, 4 of them.
Very tiny. Did you see them?
No.
No. It's they're shaking their head.
Yeah, so there's 4 of them down there, guys.
Oh,
Tiny little fellas.
they're so small.
Oh my god, there's a lot. It's so cute.
Oh, they're so small.
So you look on TV behind you. Look on the TV behind you. So there they are, there, buddy. Look.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Wow, it's a lot.
Oh, it's a big yeah. Oh, it's tiny.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's a million rocks.
Yep, third rarest penguin in the world. If you were to go on shore there and upset their nest, they would go back out to sea and die. Okay guys, I'm putting all the on the wheel. I'm going to go and have a cover. We just played better last night. You guys played good. I was really worried in the first 20 minutes. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. Straighten up. No, that way, bro. Yeah, sorry guys. I think he's trying to go back to Australia. No, straight, go straight. To the middle, pull that back a little bit, both of them. That's it.
You go and see them?
Like I said before, all the little males come down here. They get kicked out of that colony up to the north, so there are no females here. It is a bachelor's pad. They come down here after they get kicked out of the colony. They will fish, they will catch, eat their own body weight in food every 48 hours, every 48 hours they eat their own body weight in food. They swim down to 250 metres. When they're down at that depth, they will slow their heart rate down to 3 beats a minute. Now these guys will stay down here till they're big enough to head back up north to that colony
It's on a big rock.
and fight for the rightful partners. So old John Grono, Captain John Grono, came down here hunting them to nearly extinction. There it is guys, there it is. Get your cameras out, get your photos, do not want to miss that. Look at it, wicked, absolutely wicked. At high tide it is 1 metre. At low tide it's 2 metres. and we'll wake up tomorrow morning looking. The fruit's fruit. Just look at Anna. She's on the bell. She's giving us fruit. 5. Not jokes, boys. You're in the world, man. Do these people on the bell. We'll see it. But do not care about hearing.
Okay.
没有进去了，被喷会喷到。
是的。
哇！
Tady, ty se budeme rychle utíkat, jo? No, a tak
I'm going in. Wow.
No, the big one, right.
You're not allowed to leave, boys. Not allowed to leave. You've got to stay there, otherwise you will wake up looking 10 years older. You've got to stay for the duration. Cruise the glacial Fiordland.
Woo!
Cruise the glacial Fiordland.
I want to drive the boat one. Oh, there's Dad.
Taky ne. Jo, tamhle. Na tom šutru. Nebo to je možná šutr.
Unfortunately, it's just in the water.
Pod lesem.
Jo, pod lesem. Jo, teď zalejzá. Hop, hop.
Pingvin? Pingvin. Jako
No, skoval se.
Nah, he's gone.
Where?
This, like.
Oh yeah, I saw it. It's here. Is that a seaplane? There's a small one there. Yeah.
对下呀。 video